Revolver drills with our friend, the snapping turtle here in upstate New York. It is hunting season for snapping turtles. I do have my hunting license. I think I might have to let him live today to see us shooting some Smith & Wesson 586. He don't look happy. We're on a nice day here in upstate. We're gonna run some revolver, get some practice in because I don't use a revolver as much as I'd like to. And in this state, you can only have 10, so 6 ain't too far off from 10. All right, now let's see what our friend has to say about it. Hey, here he goes, he's moving. Get going, bud. Look at this guy. Beep. The fuck was that? We're using these Safariland speed loaders here. I like these because all you gotta do is push in and they release. This is how you load them. Find the hole, you push,